Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Stinger. The Kia Stinger has a design that is sure to leave an impression. It offers the perfect combination of a sporty look coupled with a wide variety of luxurious features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, battery saver, mirror memory. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.